booty bounce. Ladies, 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 booty bounce.
What is up? Good morning, YouTube. What's up, cousins? We are back with another video, and in today's video, as you can see by the thumbnail and the title, we are back with a Sunday reset vlog. It has been about 2 months since we did an actual Sunday reset vlog, from what I believe. I think it's been 2 months. So it's literally time to get everything together. So we have to do laundry, we have to meal prep, we have to get into our devotions and just reset for the week so that we don't have to worry about this stuff during the week. For my Sunday resets, I like to give myself a little bit of self-care, self-love, and just basically go into the week and plan my week out for a fresh mindset and to just be in a better mental state. Basically, like, leave the problems of yesterday or last week in the past, start this week off on a fresh new note, and just to be in better vibes and positive energy. So with that being said, what we're gonna go ahead and do first is I literally need to get ready, and while I get ready, I'm going to either listen to Sarah Jakes Roberts or I'm going to listen to Michael Todd, just to get my mind right, to get me in a better spirit, because I'm not gonna lie, like, this week has been funky, but just because it has been funky doesn't mean that we're still gonna end it off on a funky note. We're gonna end it off on a better note than what we started the day with. So literally for Sunday resets, I feel like you should be getting your mind back right. You should be resetting, like literally resetting for a new week, resetting your mental, your environment, your focus, just everything. So it's just gonna be all over the place. My apartment is all over the place, my mind is all over the place, but I don't have to continue to be all over the place. So with that being said, I'm finna just go ahead and oil my scalp and stuff like that, get myself together, brush my teeth, and get dressed and stuff, and just so I can clean up around the house and stuff like that, then start the meal prep. I do need to edit a video. Today is, look, I'm looking like I got my Apple Watch on. Today is December 28th or 29th. It's the 29th. Yeah, it's the 29th. So I'm just basically preparing everything for New Year's, so I don't have to do no cleaning on New Year's, no nothing, because that's not good. And also just so I don't have nothing to worry about this week, and so I can leave everything that's supposed to be stuck in 2024, leave it in 2024, and come into 2025 with a whole new slate. So let's just go ahead and get started.
Hey y'all, welcome to the Christian Bae TV and podcast where Christ and Culture connects. I pray that you guys are having a wonderful day. As you guys, I feel like God allowed that conversation to replay in my head to make this episode, to say it's important to walk in your calling, to walk in your anointing. Y'all know how they say don't covet somebody else's blessings, don't covet somebody else's edge control, because just because it worked for her don't mean it worked for you. Don't covet that lady husband, because just because he's like that with her don't mean he's gonna be like that with you. Don't covet their job and their pay, because you don't know what they're dealing with in their work environment. Don't covet the house that you see they just bought, because you don't know how much their mortgage is. Don't covet their children and how they look online, because you don't know what they're dealing with behind the scenes. Just because it fits or it works for somebody else, it does not mean it's gonna work for you, because you just kept stressing the fact that some things are not fit for you.
Fuck your mind up, waste time. I'm prone to that, do it all the time. Keep your guards up, who waited line. You don't need me, please believe me. This ain't easy, you know I've been feeding. Let me unleash my demons on you. What's the word?
So the video that I'm listening to is the Christian Bae, or the podcast I'm listening to is the Christian Bae TV and podcast. And this specific one she posted on December 28th, and it's called Favor for What Fits. And she has it on YouTube as well, but she been spitting, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, like, she has been spitting. So if you need a podcast to listen to that's Christian related, just to give you like that 10, 15, 20 minute like motivation for the day, That's the one. That's what I listen to every single day at work. Like, not every single day, because I don't really listen to them on the weekends, which I need to do better. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm finna put some clothes on because I just got my little robe on. So I'm gonna put some clothes on, and then we gonna go ahead and just start cleaning up, just so I can start at least meal prepping and get that meal prep over with, so then I can literally just edit, because I have to have 2 more videos posted by the end of the year, and I need to take pictures for this thumbnail and stuff. So let me go get dressed, put some little clothes on real quick, and then I'm gonna tune back in with y'all.
Tell me what you heard. Wanna get you to myself. There's murder. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what you do. Just tell me when it hurts. Wanna get you to myself. There's murder. Watch me, you and me. I'm here all by myself. You around, she's around. Speak like Molly for out. You call this? Hope it's not you don't be so sad. Why? Why? I like you. Make me look like you. You're so different. Maybe I be tripping. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what you do. Just tell me when it hurts. Wanna get you to myself. There's murder. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what you do. Just tell me when it hurts. Wanna get you to myself. There's murder. Fuck your mind up, waste time. I'm prone to that, do it all the time. Keep your guards up, or wait in line. You don't need me, please believe me. This ain't easy, you know I've been feeding. Let me unleash my demons on you. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what you do. Just tell me when it hurts. Wanna get you to myself. There's murder.
Here I am thinking that we finna take a little quick meal break or whatever to go get some food real quick. I forgot the last time that I was in my car, I need to get gas. Y'all, look how I walked out the house. Okay, so it is 2:50. I just got gas because I thought I was gonna take a quick little trip to go get some food, but obviously not. I still so I finished my room. I'm almost done with laundry. I got one more load of laundry to do, and then I need to still do the bathroom. The bathroom isn't too bad because I already mopped and stuff like that before. It's just like cleaning off the counter, doing the toilet, you know, little stuff like that. And then I need to meal prep and also go ahead and do and edit this video for tomorrow. That's gonna be the main thing, and I know that's gonna take the longest, so I'm gonna hold that off to like the last thing because I need to get everything else done. I know if I don't get it done today, it's not gonna get done throughout the week. So yeah, but I am hungry. That worked up an appetite. Cleaning be working up an appetite. So yeah, y'all, I'm hungry.
What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me when it hurts.
You're new?
Yeah.
You?
Mhm. Okay, thank you, girl. What do you usually get? What do you usually get? Yeah.
I'm very picky.
Okay.
So I be getting like the box combo,
Okay.
and then I substitute the slaw with toast.
Okay.
Toast.
Let me pull up and look at this.
The toast is really good.
Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna do the
That's
3.
What I do, my secret.
Okay.
Okay, I get the toast,
Uh-huh.
then I put the chicken on there, and then I
Uh-huh.
put the fries on it, dip it in the sauce. Yum, yum, yum. There you go.
Girl, go ahead and give me the box cover. I'm gonna get 2 of them.
2 boxes?
Yeah.
Okay, what drink?
A Sprite for both.
A Sprite for both, okay.
And then that's it.
And the biggest combo is the cognac combo, which has 6 tenders.
I'm gonna stick with the 4. I'm gonna stick with the 4.
You want any extra cane sauce?
Yes, please.
How many?
2.
They have cup sauce too.
Listen, I'm not about to play with you.
What's the name for your order?
India.
India?
I'm
talking India. Okay.
Look, come on, catching the vibe.
Okay, 28.42.
Okay.
Cart?
Yep. They need to give you a raise. Listen, I'm telling you.
You're all set.
Thank
have a great
you.
day.
You too. Y'all, she was so sweet. Y'all, I want to do the 75 hard, or people, I don't know if they call it 75 hard or 75 soft, but I want to do that so bad. I want to cry about it, but I just know, like, I want to work myself into like being consistent with working out and stuff before I commit to that, because I feel like I'm gonna be so mad at myself and I'm gonna just say forget 75 altogether, because I know myself, like I'm not ready for that type of commitment. For the gym, at least. There's other ways where I could do it.
Yeah, the straws will be in the bag.
Okay, thank you. Have a good one.
Norris, yes.
Alright, let's go home, child. Hopefully it's good. I only had Raising Cane's like twice before. The one time that I had it before, it was cool, but I mean, it was like, I personally feel like it was just overhyped for the most part. It's cool, I ain't gonna lie, it's cool. The bread is the real kicker of it all, but I don't know, you know, I don't know. Honestly, I've been doing terrible. Like, I've been eating out way too much, and I need to wrap this up. This needs to be wrapped up ASAP.
When I get you to myself, there's murder. What you mean, you and me? I'm here all by myself. You around, she's around, let's be polite, not leave her out. What you call this? Hope it's not romantic. I ain't got no kids, so don't be so childish. Wildin', I be wildin' too. Not like you, so maybe I look like you. Maybe we ain't so different. Maybe I be tripping. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what you do, just tell me when it hurts. When I get you to myself, there's murder. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what you do, just tell me when it hurts. When I get you to myself, there's murder.
Okay, so now everything is done and cleaned. We're gonna go ahead and start meal prepping because it is 4:38, so it is getting later. So I'm gonna wash my hands real fast, and then we finna just hop on to this meal prep. We're making rasta pasta. This is my sister's recipe, so I don't know if she want me to share it with y'all, but if y'all catch it, y'all catch it. If y'all don't, y'all don't.
Fuck your mind up, waste time. I'm prone to that, do it all the time. Keep your guards up, or wait in line. You don't need me, please believe me. This ain't easy, you know I've been feeding. Let me unleash my demons on you. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what you do, just tell me when it hurts. When I get you to myself, there's murder. What's the word? all by myself. You around, she's around, it's people like not leave her out. What you call this? Hope it's not romantic. I ain't got no kids, so don't be so childish. Wildin', I be wildin' too. Not like you, maybe a little like you. Maybe we ain't so different. Maybe I be trippin'. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do, just tell me when it hurts. Wanna get you to myself, there's murder. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do, just tell me when it hurts. Wanna get you to myself, there's murder. Fuck your mind up, waste time. I'm prone to that, do it all the time. Keep your guards up, or wait in line. You don't need me, please believe me. This ain't easy, you know I've been feeding. Let me unleash my demons on you. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do, just tell me when it hurts. Wanna get you to myself, there's murder. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do, just tell me when it hurts. Wanna get you to myself, there's murder. What you mean, you and me, I'm here all by myself. You around, she's around, it's people like not leave her out. What you call this? Hope it's not romantic. I ain't got no kids, so don't be so childish. Wildin', I be wildin' too. Not like you, maybe a little like you. Maybe we ain't so different. Maybe I be trippin'. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do, just tell me when it hurts. Wanna get you to myself, there's murder.
Alright, y'all, so it is literally 7:12. I done cleaned up the kitchen and everything. The meal prep, everything is cooling off right there. I'm about to take the dog out and then start editing because, child, this video gotta go up tomorrow. Not this one, but a video gotta go up tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell so you get notified every time that I post. And if you want me to do another Sunday reset with y'all, let me know and I got y'all. Alright, so have a good night. Bye.